Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Purple Sprunki character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Purple Sprunki character, let's begin by making a circle. And I'm going to begin by tracing this nice circle right here on my paper. So I'm going to begin right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a circle, and I'm going to trace most of it, leaving a little space at the top. And then I'm going to just draw a little bit of space right here. So you can see it's a circle, but it's not fully closed. Now the reason we did that is because we have to add some horns on here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up to a point and down with a curve. Same thing here, we're going to go up to a point, we're going to go down and then curve. Then we're going to go here and here. Now we're going to make the eyes. So we just want to draw a nice big circle shape right here for one of the eyes. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Try to keep it as close to the same size as you can. And we're going to draw it right to there. Now we want to draw a line that goes across and another line that goes across. Then we're going to make a smiley face here and a smiley face here. A little line across, and a line here, and a line here for the eyebrows. Next we're going to make a line up, and a line up, or down, and a line up, and a line down. We're going to curve here, and then we're going to curve here. Let's make a line that comes down, and a line that comes down for the body. And then a line across. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Purple Sprunki character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.